Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Sangeh thek bagi Samla Pule jeng school ba North Eastern Hills University lepen long de Jingshah Shwa Thngan klemput sngi bandawa hier shuki U Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla u Chief Secretary jeng Sarkar Jilla ba Donald P Walang hakak khandai trik unai wing arajar phosau lahir school ba Nehu benet yakendo markhmat yegi Samla Pule lepen long de Jingshah Thngan ringkar ke jing sendan lang jeng Director General of Police ka Jilla ka kong ida shisha nongrang ke Deputy Commissioner ka kong RM Korba u Additional Deputy Commissioner Ba Roni Walang, u Vice Chancellor in charge Professor N Saha, ba kiwe ki he officer. Hakijnya keren ba kilat patai kubor ba Walang, ulay tho ba kajine jingo jong u, yaki Samla Pule, kalong hakakerteng jong Sarkar Jilla, rengkat kajing Kyrpad, bakin Sangeh Shwa kajingnya ki kat ba kajing toket, ba kat Sangeh nak inquiry committee, belatung dengan Ministry of Education ke Sarkar India kerang ya syakman.
Saya perkhidmat ada long meeting. It's a personal request from me also, and split them up kathong ke dengan Judy. Orang yang keren and speak in the same language and what I really got. Okay, thank you. We came here with the specific objective of requesting the students to suspend their agitation pending the completion of the inquiry. So I had a word with all of them and I've told them the reasons why they should suspend the agitation, and I'm confident and I hope that they will sit together, the different organizations who are agitating, and they'll suspend during a period of inquiry. That is the only purpose of coming here. I've come here on behalf of the state government and also on my personal behalf. Both me and the Director General of Police, Kong Ida, will be here.